Ever searched for anything online? Of course you have. It's 2025. We practically live on the web. But have you ever wondered how businesses get their names to the top of those search results? That's the power of Google Ads, and today we're unlocking that power for you. Welcome to Compare the Carrier, where we not only move your freight, but also move your business forward. Today we'll guide you step by step in creating your first Google Ads campaign. Whether you're a seasoned logistics pro or just starting out, this video is your key to attracting more customers, boosting those leads, and growing your business online. Phase 1. Defining goals and audience. Alright, before we even think about creating an ad, we need to lay the groundwork. This is like planning a road trip. You wouldn't hit the gas without knowing where you're going, right? First things first, goals. What do you want to achieve with this campaign? Are you looking to drive sales on your website? Generate leads for your sales team? Increase brand awareness? Be specific. Don't just say more sales. Think about concrete targets, a percentage increase, a certain number of leads, or a specific growth in website traffic. The clearer your goals, the better you can measure your success. Next up, audience. Who are you trying to reach? Think about your ideal customer. What are their demographics, their interests, their pain points? Put yourself in their shoes. What would make them click on your ad? What are they searching for online? The more you understand your audience, the more effective your ads will be. Pro tip: create detailed buyer personas to really nail down your target audience. By defining your goals and audience, you're setting your campaign up for success. Now, let's move on to the exciting part: finding the right keywords. Phase 2, keyword research and setup. Okay, now that we know our goals and who we're talking to, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Keywords. These are the words and phrases people actually type into Google when they're looking for services like yours. Think of keywords as the bridge connecting your awesome ads to the customers who need you. First, brainstorm. Jot down every possible term, broad or specific, that a customer might use to find a business like yours. Now, let's get scientific. Free tools like Google Keyword Planner are your best friend. They show you how often people are searching for those terms, how much competition you've got, and how relevant those keywords really are to your business. Pro tip: don't forget about negative keywords. These are the terms you don't want your ads to show up for. Think about irrelevant searches or stuff that's way outside your service area. And hey, for a deep dive on keyword strategy, especially for logistics and transport, check out our blog post linked in the description. It's packed with insights to get those leads flowing. All right, with our keywords locked in, we're ready to move on to the heart of it all: crafting ads that shine. Let's go. Phase 3, crafting compelling ads. All right, we've got our goals, we know our audience, and we've armed ourselves with the right keywords. Now comes the fun part: writing ads that sizzle. Think of your ad as your elevator pitch. You've got just a few seconds to grab attention and make a lasting impression. So let's make every word count. First up, headlines. These are the big, bold words that people see first. Make them catchy, compelling, and crystal clear. Use those keywords we talked about, but don't just stuff them in. Make sure they flow naturally. Next, we've got the descriptions. This is where you expand on your offer and give people a taste of what makes you special. Highlight your unique selling points, your competitive advantages, and any juicy offers you've got going on. And don't forget the call to action. Tell people exactly what you want them to do. Get a free quote, shop now, learn more. Make it easy for them to take the next step. Finally, make sure your ad links to the right page on your website. Don't just send everyone to your homepage. If you're advertising a specific service, link directly to that service page. It's all about a smooth and seamless customer journey. Now, with those compelling ads ready to go, let's talk about how much this is all going to cost. Phase 4, setting your budget and bidding. Don't worry, we're not going to break the bank here. Google Ads can work for any budget. First things first, set a daily budget. This is the maximum amount you're willing to spend each day on your campaign. Start with something comfortable and you can always adjust it later. Now let's talk about bidding. This is how much you're willing to pay each time someone clicks on your ad. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can choose automated bidding, where Google's AI does the heavy lifting and optimizes your bids for you. This is great for beginners or if you're not comfortable with the technical side of things. Or you can go manual and set your own bids for each keyword. This gives you more control, but it requires a bit more expertise and attention. Pro tip: if you're just starting out, we recommend going with automated bidding. It's a simple way to get your feet wet and let Google's AI do the work for you. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with manual bidding and see what works best for your business. And remember, you can always change your budget and bidding strategy at any time. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what gives you the best results. All right, with our budget and bidding sorted, we're almost ready to launch. But first, let's make sure we're tracking everything properly. On to the final phase. Phase 5, launching and monitoring. We're in the home stretch. We've got our goals, our audience, our keywords, and our killer ads. Now it's time to launch this campaign and see it in action. But before we hit that big red launch button, let's make sure we're tracking everything properly. We need to know what's working and what's not, so we can optimize and get the best possible results. Google Ads offers some powerful tracking tools. You can track website visits, phone calls, form submissions, and even actual sales. This data is pure gold. It tells you exactly what's happening after someone clicks on your ad. Once your campaign is running, keep a close eye on those metrics. Are people clicking on your ads? Are those clicks turning into leads or sales? How much are you spending per click? This information will help you fine-tune your campaign and make it even better. Pro tip: don't be afraid to experiment. Try different ad variations, test new keywords, and adjust your bidding strategy. The more you test, the more you'll learn about what works best for your business. Launching your Google Ads campaign is just the beginning. The real magic happens in the ongoing monitoring and optimization. So stay curious, stay engaged, and keep learning. That's the key to long-term success with Google Ads. That's it. You've officially made it through Google Ads Bootcamp. You're well on your way to creating campaigns that drive results and boost your business. But remember, this is just the beginning. The world of Google Ads is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep experimenting. Want to dive deeper? We've got tons of resources to help you on your journey. Check out our blog posts for detailed guides on everything from keyword research to conversion tracking. We've even got a step-by-step tutorial on setting up your Google Ads account. Link in the description. And hey, if you're looking for expert support, our team at Compare the Carrier is always here to help. We offer customized marketing and development solutions specifically for logistics companies like yours. Contact us today and let's get your Google Ads game to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content. We'll see you in the next one.